Hello, today we are start EVS standard 2nd chapter number 10 weather and season. The weather changes all the time. Sometimes the air is warm and sometimes it is cool. Weather is every time change every time. Okay, sometimes air is warm, sometimes air कैसा होता है गर्म और कभी cool. It means ठंडा हो जाता है. This bring about changes in the weather conditions. The weather can be hot, cold, windy, cloudy, dusty, dry, etc. This changes is weather. ये जो change होता रहता है कभी hot, cold, windy, it means ये हमारी क्या हुए weather. These changes is weather over a long time are called season. और जो ये weather change होते हैं उसे हम बोलते हैं season. Seasons can be hot, wet and cold. Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring are the 5 important season in India. Whose 5 important seasons? Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. These are 5. Okay, summer hot day. Summer कैसा है? Hot day होता है. In India, the summer month are usually April, May and June. During summer season, the days are long and the night are short. India's men usually April, May, June में especially बहुत hot रहता है. Okay, these are main summer season in 3 months. Okay. During summer season, day are long. Days कैसे होते हैं? Long and nights are short. The air is very warm and the air is very warm. We like to wear light cotton cloth to keep ourselves cool. People wear light cotton cloth. Okay, किस लिए? Ourselves cool. Body को cool रखने के लिए. We like to have cold drink. We use fan, cooler and air conditioner to stay cool in summer. We are use fan, cooler, AC. Okay. Next, monsoon. Monsoon is a rainy season. Cool winds from the sea bring rain clouds in July and August. Mainly कब होता है ज़्यादा? रेनी सीजन में मेन रेन कब होता है? जुलाई एंड अगस्त में. द रेनी सीजन इज नॉन एज मानसून. जो रेनी सीजन है उसे हम पहचानते हैं ना मानसून सीजन. इट इज़ द वेटेस्ट सीजन ऑफ द ईयर. इट इज़ अ वेटेस्ट सीजन ऑफ द ईयर. इट गिव्स रिलीफ फ्रॉम द हीट ऑफ समर. इट गिव्स द रिलीफ मीन्स हमको ठंडक हो जाता है किससे? हीट ऑफ समर गर्मी की बहुत गर्मी होती है ना उससे हमें रिलीफ करता है. समटाइम्स वी सी अ रेनबो आफ्टर द रेन. समटाइम वी सी ऑन द स्काई आफ्टर इन द स्काई रेनबो आफ्टर द रेन्स के बाद आपको कभी रेन होगा उसके बाद आप देखते हैं स्काई में आपको रेनबो दिखता है. ठीक है. रेन वाटर फिल अप द वाटर बॉडीज सच एज अ रिवर, lake, sea, etc. We use an umbrella, raincoat and gumboots in the rainy season. They protect us from getting wet. Now next topic, winter. Winter is a cold day. In India, December, January and February are the winter month. These are winter month. During this season, the days are short and nights are long. During the winter season, days are short and nights are long. Okay. The sun shine but not too brightly. Sun shine तो करता है but एकदम ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं देता है. ठीक है. Not brightly. Okay. Sometimes there is fog and moisture. Sometimes आपको fog दिखेगा बाहर ऐसे धुएं जैसा लगता है ना. और sometimes moistures. We enjoy hot foods items and hot drink in winter. We are enjoy the hot foods item and hot drink in a winter season. We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from the cold. People wear a woolen cloth to protect cold. Now next, autumn. Autumn is windy and dry. Autumn is wind and dry month, okay, season. During the month of October and November, the weather is neither hot nor cold. ड्यूरिंग द अक्टूबर नवंबर मंथ में क्या होता है, ना तो ज़्यादा ठंडी रहती है ना ही गर्मी होती है, ठीक है. दिस इज द ऑटम सीजन, ये हमारा क्या है, दिस इज द ऑटम सीजन. ड्यूरिंग ऑटम द ट्री सेड देयर लीव्स. ड्यूरिंग ऑटम सीजन ट्रीज क्या होती है, ट्रीज की लीव्स झड़ने गिरने लग जाती है, ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, स्प्रिंग प्लेजेंट डेज. During the month of March and April, the weather is neither too cold nor too hot. This is a spring season. Spring is also known as the queen of all season. Now, spring season is also called a queen of all season. In spring, the plants are full of flower and trees have new leaves. जब स्प्रिंग ऑटम में लीव्स गिर जाते हैं तो स्प्रिंग में अच्छे से आ जाते हैं, ओके. ओके, मूव द एक्सरसाइज. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट, इन इंडिया द समर मंथ आर यूजुअली अप्रैल, मई एंड जून. वी लाइक टू वेयर लाइट कॉटन क्लॉथ टू कीप ourselves cool. We wear woolen cloth to protect ourselves from the cold. In India, December, January and February are winter months. True and false? The weather change all time. True. The air is very warm in winter season. False. Okay. Third, we enjoy hot food item and hot drink in winter. True. During autumn, the trees shed their leaves. True. Now move the exercise number C. Questions and C. Answer the following questions. What is a season? The weather changes all the time. Sometimes the air is warm and sometimes it is cool. The weather can be hot, cold, windy, cloudy, dusty, dry, etc. These changes in the weather over a long time are called season. Question number 2. How many types of season are there in India? There are 5 main important season in India. Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring are 5 important season in India. Question number 3. Why do we wear woolen cloth in winter season? We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from the cold. Question number 4. Why do we wear cotton cloth in summer season? So we like to wear light cotton cloth to keep ourselves cool. Question number 5. Why do we use an umbrella in rainy season? We use an umbrella, raincoat and gumboot in the rainy season. They protect us from getting wet. Okay, complete.